Hello, my unboxing friends. My name is Christine, and welcome to my place. Today I have Nadine West. This is packed full. So this is a styling service, and it costs $9.78 every time you get it shipped. And anything you keep, that $9.78 gets added back into your total. So that's really nice. You get that money back. You do fill out a profile, your likes, your dislikes, and you can even add little notes to your stylist about certain things. Like for me, for instance, it's important that she knows I have pets. I have lap dogs. So if anybody out there has a lap dog, you know what I'm talking about. Their nails get stuck on lace or anything too knit like crocheted or anything like that. So I have to be careful of those things, otherwise my clothes will be ruined. Anyway, let's break this open and see what I got. This bag you open and it has a reseal on it. So whatever you don't like, you put in the bag and send it back. Here's one bundle. Ooh, I see something orange in there. Now, I did say no black because I have pets and the cat hair and the dog hair gets on there, but we'll see what these are. Oh my. Oh, I have 3 bundles this time. Here is the other bundle. Some nice fall colors, some neutrals in there. And then this bundle broke open. Oh, there's my return label. They send you a return label to put back on the bag. And here are the other ones. So let's get right to the try on. Okay, so this is the Florence Almond Abstract. This shirt is $32.99. I do like the swirl tie-dye look. It's very soft and stretchy, which I like. This would make a great layering piece or just on its own. But I don't know, $32.99 for a tank top always does seem to be a little bit too much in my opinion. Now they also sent me these pants. These are the Lenora khakis. I thought they were going to be too small. No pockets in the front. They do have pockets in the back. I mean, they look okay, and they're very long. It's really gathered here at the bottom. So I just don't know about these pants. They're not high enough. You know, I'd always feel like I'm hiking them up. So I don't know about these two. But the pants are very comfortable. Let's see. The khaki pants are $16, $15.99. So that's a pretty good price. So on to the next outfit. So the next thing are these bottoms. They're called Dariella, and they're in the color almond, but they really do look very orange. And I am very comfortable in these. They have like a small pile fur inside, so they're super soft on the inside and very warm. These are, oh gosh, where'd they go? Bottoms, Dariella. These are $24.49. I think they fit well. They're a good length. I am worried that they will shrink because they fit perfect right now. So, not sure. Boy, this is a cute outfit though. I'll have to think about these because I don't know how much they'll shrink. I have to think about that. Okay. So the next thing is this tank top. It's a nice animal print. It's pink, white, and black. It's very soft and stretchy. This one is called the Holly Cranberry Animal Print. And this one is $34.49. Now, this is not what I am willing to pay for a tank top. But I do think it's cute. I do like it. Now, the next thing they sent me are these leggings. These leggings are called Ingrid. These are $19.50. 50 cents. So this is more my price, right? They do fit well. They're a little see-through, not by much. They have a little detail on the leg. A little detail. Which I like that. I like that just fine. They are a little tight, but I do think they're pretty. Very soft. They are comfortable. More now that the more that I'm wearing them, the more I like them. And they did send a scarf. I suppose I could show you that with the last item. So I'll go ahead and show you that with the last item. Now, I was wondering when they were going to send me a dress like this, because I've seen them in everybody else's boxes. It does have pockets. It's very soft. It's like a t-shirt material. I love the color green. Do they consider this blue or green? They do consider it green. It's called the Alyssa. And I paired it with the scarf they sent me. I love the pattern. I love it. Very pretty. And this is $19.99. The dress is $29.99. Now, I don't really have a need for a dress. Well, I kind of do, but I don't. I ask them for clothes that I can wear at home. And I'm not one of these ladies that gets all dressed up just to stay at home. Very nice. So let me know what you like that I put on. So I'm going to put my stuff back on, and we're going to check out the jewelry that they sent me. Now, I just realized that I did not try on the black items, but there's a reason for that. I won't consider black. This is a nice little tank top that they sent me. Oh, where'd my paper go? So this tank is $25. So they think that I'm willing to pay, I mean, maybe 15 I would pay, but not 25. I like, it's very soft, stretchy, very soft and silky feeling. So I do like that, but it's black. Now, the last thing they sent me, there is no way, even if it was a nice color, or a different color, I should say, even if it was a different color, I wouldn't even consider it. It's a crop top. Look at me. Look at me. Do I look like the kind of lady that would wear a crop top? Okay. So it's a little strappy deal. Very wide neckline. It has some of this kind of thing going on. I mean, if you're 20 something, okay. But, no. So, I won't put that on. And it's black. And I said, no black. Makes you wonder if they actually look at your profile. So the last things I have are the jewelry pieces. So let's see what those are. All right, so the earrings are $15. Oh, these are pretty. They have some rhinestone detail around the outside of them, kind of like a Monaco kind of design, I want to say. Very nice. I do like those. What I say these were? 15. I might consider those. I like those. Oh, and I have a necklace. Let's see what this looks like. I only got 2 pieces of jewelry this time. The necklace is $11.99. It's by LA Accessories. It looks like a piece of leather wrapped around a silver bar. I don't know. This is just a little, I mean, I like it, but I don't think I'm gonna keep that. So this is everything that they put in my Nadine West box this time. I do really like the earrings. I probably will consider keeping those. As far as the clothes, I don't really think anything, I mean, I like the orange sweatpants, but they fit perfect now. So if I wash them, they're going to shrink. So I'm going to have to say no on that. Paying $25 or $32.99 for a tank top is ridiculous to me. So I probably will not be getting any of those. The dress is okay, but I don't think I'm going to get that one either. So really, other than these fabulous earrings, which I really do like, I think this is the only thing this month that I'm going to keep from Nadine West. So $9.78 will come off of those earrings. So I'm getting those for a really, really good price. I love the scarf, but now that I'm home more, I don't really see a need to be wearing a scarf like that at home. Usually I have those kinds of things for when I go out, and then I take them off right away when I come home. And a lot of that has to do with all of the pets I have. So anyway, blah-de-blah. I appreciate you watching. I do hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.